Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee at ChemEng. I'm here today with Dr. David Allam, who is our lead for technical support services here at the School of Chemical Engineering, right? And David helps us so much in the back end with a lot of prep, brainstorming for ideas for teaching, and pretty much couldn't get anything done without TSS, right? So David, thanks for being here today. And I've got a really important question for David, which was, every engineer should have like a set of skills in their metaphorical toolbox, right? And what is a set of these tools that you think everyone should have, regardless of which engineering discipline they're from?
Okay, cool. So I think every engineer should have an understanding of the most common tools related to their field. So things like spanners, wrenches, power tools, drills, torque wrenches. An engineer should understand how all these work and how they can be applied to their respective field. So chem engineers should understand like your torque wrenches, your bolts, how you can use those sort of things for flanges and how they're incorporated as part of an overall design or process plant.
Yep, absolutely. And then on the software side, of course, right, you're also very well versed with CAD, right? It helps with the 3D printing skill sets as well.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think every engineer should have a strong understanding of their practical skills, but then a lot of understanding on the CAD. So how to design an object. And then once you start getting more competent with your hand skills, you can realize that you can design things better on the CAD side, and then vice versa. So it really helps to synergize and improve your overall engineering skills, have an understanding of the practical, and then also the computational software side of engineering.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, and David's helping us brainstorm some ideas as well for 3D printing, which we're going to integrate into the curriculum for next year. Right, hopefully that goes pretty well. All right,
cool.
Thanks,
Awesome.
David.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, man.
Thanks. Bye.